So when I wrote Lapis, pinapakinggan ko siya, sinusulat ko. It was as if God was talking to me.
Mhm.
Kaya yun yung words ng kailangan ko kumalma, wait lang. Pangit kasi ako umiyak, gusto ko maganda ako sa camera. yung words ng chorus, yung lapit sa akin at huwag matakot ka, papawiin ang luha, ulan ay titila na. It was just really something na sobrang nagbigay ng hope sa akin at that time. It was a wonder how God can speak to you through your art.
Yes.
Yun, that time. So
Billboard Philippines. Volumes.